guys do so well at this. And none of the women are doing very well.
I can't catch him on the backswing.
Oh, yeah.
Wonder why the hell. I wonder why, right?
Moving up on the outside.
Hey, we're coming around the corner on the outside, on the outside.
Alex, back up. That hurt your eyes.
Come on.
What? Wait!
Come on.
I've never seen two get tangled.
Yeah, what are you blocking there?
Who's orange is who? Don't lose track of your orange.
Matt, they look like NASCAR draft.
Yeah. Rob's getting in the lead,
bumping,
using
he
his
ain't
soccer
racing.
skills. Box out. Box out.
Oh, look, coming from behind.
Ryan, coming from behind.
Coming from behind.
Yeah.
Foot wedge.
Yeah.
Foot wedge.
Nobody saw that coming.
Dig. He's coming from behind.
Go, Dig, go. Go, Dig, go.
Butter.
Yeah.
Using Mary's potatoes.
Pushing and
Come
shoving
on.
is encouraged.
Come on. Hit your orange. Look how high she's got it swinging. Come on, Papa.
Mom, you're about to put somebody's eye out.
You ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.